Meaning of day job.
Day job.
Day job.
Day job.
Day job. A day job refers to the work that a person regularly performs during normal business hours in order to earn a living. It is typically a full-time or part-time employment that provides a stable income and benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid vacation time. Day jobs often consist of daily tasks and responsibilities that may not be particularly fulfilling or enjoyable, but are necessary for financial stability. While some people pursue additional interests or side hustles outside of their day job, others rely solely on it to support themselves and their families.